Another video. This video will show you the overview for redirect / open modal. So here you can redirect to a website or directly to another form and also pass parameters through with this functionality. The way it works, and I'm going to keep this really simple, let's say we get a button, and in Salesforce I've got this record here, and I'm going to redirect to this record but to another form. So let's say we'll call this button take me to the record. Something very simple. And then on the other side I'm going to build a form. So in this form I'm going to have 3 fields. So let's get 3 fields. This one's going to be account name. This one will be account number. And the final one will be account type. And I'm going to create a little hidden field, and this is FLD7, if you can see top right here, FLD7, called account ID. Let's go to a get. I'm going to set up an auto trigger, so it's going to come from account, where condition is account ID equals account ID. If true, it will return the values: name, number, and type. Now this is set up and this is good to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the URL from here like this, and I'm going to remember my hidden field, which is FLD7. Back over here, if you click on this button, click on settings and go over to interactivity, you got configure on click action. Now that's available wherever anything is clickable really, so this is a good place. You've got something called redirect / open modal. What you can do is click on settings. You can redirect to any URL within Titan Web, or you can set up a custom one like this, copy and paste. And then you can decide whether you want to open in self, which means it will open within the window you are, parent, new tab, blank, nothing, or modal. I'm going to choose modal and we'll enter the size and width. So width can be, let's say, 300, height can be 500, and I'll set a parameter. I'll say the account ID, which I've automatically set up as a parameter with this value in there, this record ID, will go to FLD7. Click apply, 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 click save, and then publish. Now once this is published, and when I click on this button here, it's going to open up a modal like that. And that modal is passing essentially the record ID, and you can see based off that it's loaded the details in here. So it's really that simple to set up the redirect, and you can pass many parameters. There are multiple ways of doing it, but this will cover hopefully the basic gist of just how to redirect to different forms, also pass parameters easily. As I said, you can do it many different ways. You can do self like this, and then we'll publish again. Now instead of opening this in the modal, it will open in self, and then the self is a form, and there it is. Okay, and yeah, this is how it's done.